Hello, children. Very good evening to you all. How are you all doing? It's been a long time we met online, right? Very good evening to you all, children. How are you all? Say loudly. Fine, ma'am. You have to really say loudly. Okay, fine. So, what did you do today in the morning? Did you all attend your classes? Yes. Have you attended the classes in the morning today? Very good. And did you all sleep in the afternoon? Everybody should take a nap in the afternoon time. Okay? That's good. Now, let's begin the session. Today's session is mainly on behalf of Independence Day that we are going to celebrate this Sunday. Okay, before we start, let's start our session with a regular warm up. Now, children, can you all quickly stand up for the warm up exercise? Stand up for the warm up exercise, everybody. Come on, come on, come on, get up from your places. Everybody should now stand up. Very good. Now, come on, everybody, start jumping. Jump, 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 jump up high and try and touch the sky. Come on, children, everybody, jump up high, jump, jump. Very good. Now, can you all bend forward and touch your toes and bend backwards as much as possible? I will count to 8 for you, okay? Come on, everybody. Bend down and touch your toes and bend backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. Now, can you all put your hands on your hips and rotate your hips round? Yes, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, can you all just tap your shoulders just like this? Tap, tap, tap. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap your shoulders, all of you. And rotate your elbows round 4 times clockwise and 4 times anti-clockwise. Very good, very good. Everybody should follow the class now. All right. Now, children, can you all put your hands forward just like this and rotate your wrist round 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now keep your hands down. Everybody, put your hands down. Okay. Can you all clap your hands now? Okay. We will learn to clap in a rhythm. What do you say about that? Let's try. Let's try 3 times and then 2 times. Okay? One, two, three. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Very good. Now clap your hands. Can you all give a high five to me? It's good. One more time if anybody is missing. Let's do again a high five now. High five. Very good, children. Now everybody sit down in your places. Sit down in your places. Okay? So children, can you now tell me which day is today? Think. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Now, can you all tell me how many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So total there are 7 days in a week. You know that there are 7 days in a week, and today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Okay, very good. Now let's learn about. Okay, fine. Let's quickly play a small game now. I will show you some picture cards like this, and I want you to name the object. Okay, all right, children. I want you to name the objects. I'm going to show you a couple of them now. Okay, look here. Start from this. So those who are coming to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay. Here you see, children, what is this? It's a plate. Very good. Book. Very good. What is this? Socks. Drum. Stairs. Stairs. We say stairs. What are these? Toys. Toys. This is called a tram train. Tram train. Because you see, it is just beside the road. It's called a tram train. What is this? Milk. Milk. This is called a wig. 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 Who is he? He is a cook. Cook. What is this? Gold. Gold. Blanket. 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 Lamb. Lamb. Capsicum. Capsicum. Uh-oh. Do you know what's this? It's an extinct animal. It's an extinct animal. And it's called mammoth. Mammoth. Which animal is here? It's a polar bear. Polar bear. Rat. Rat. What is this, children? Axe. 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 Helmet. Helmet. And it's a hut. 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 Have you seen this one? We call it a hut. And this is a glass. Glass. Juggle. What is he doing? Juggling the balls. We call it juggle. Hey. Hey. Kick. Kick. Jar. Jar. Chili. Pumpkin. Very good. And what is this? Elf. Elf. And what is she doing? Exercise. Exercise. Very good. So now did you understand how much you know about the pictures? This is all your vocabulary development exercise. Do you know that? That's your vocabulary development exercise. Now quickly let's go through some phonic sounds. Okay, then we will start the Independence Day activity. Okay, okay, children. I'll randomly take the cards and give the. Can you tell me which alphabet is this one? Small m. Small m. M says mm. Mm is the sound for alphabet M. M says mm, monkey, as in monkey. Which alphabet is here? Can you tell me which alphabet is here? Small c. Small c. C says cat. Cat. Small q. Q says quack, 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 quack. Can you all repeat the sound after me, children, now? Quack, 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 quack. As in queen, as in queen. And this is letter G. 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 G says goat. 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 T says tomato. 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 F says as in fish. W says as in watch, as in walrus. Water. Wow. When. This is letter W. This is. Which letter is this one? Can you please now tell me which letter is this? E. E says elephant. Elephant. D. D says dog. Dog. Y says yacht. We call it yacht. Yacht. O says orange. 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 This is letter V. V says violin. Violin. J. J says joker. Joker. I says igloo. Igloo. X. X says Xmas tree. Xmas tree. L. L says lamb. As in lamb. R says as in rabbit. Z says Z as in zebra. Small k, K says kite, kite. Letter N says n, as in nest. P says parrot, parrot. B says bat, bat. Here is letter A. A says apple, apple. Which alphabet is here? It's letter S. S says S as in sun, S as in sun. And here is letter H as in horse. Okay? These are the phonic sounds of small alphabet. Okay? Now let's learn something about the special day. What's that I'm talking about? Any guesses, children? What's that I'm talking about now? Let's see what's that. Okay. Let me start it like this. Do you all know what is this, children? Do you all know what is this? Can you tell me? Can you all tell me what is this one? Yes, it's our India map. It's our India map. India map. Okay, fine. I will tell you. Who is India? Fine. Do you all know Risha ma'am? Yes. Who is Risha ma'am? It's me. And can you tell me what is your name? What is your name? Tell me what is your name now? Oh, such a sweet name you got. Like the way I have a name, like the way you have a name, our country is also having a name. We all live in a country called India. What is the name of our country? India. Where do we live? We live in our country called India. India is the name of our country. Okay. What is the name of our country? India, 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 India. Can you all repeat the same along with me now? India, 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 India. This is India and India is our country. Okay? This is how India looks like. How Risha ma'am looks like? Like this. Yes? How do you look like? Can you show me your faces now? Oh wow, you all look so cute and pretty. And how India looks like? India is our country. And how does it look like? Like this. Okay, this is a photo of India map. This is how our India looks like, and India is our country. All right, children, have a closer look at our country, India. India is our country. Can you point out and show me where do you live? I live here. Where do you live? Somewhere there? Very nice. So India is our country. India is our nation. We all live in our country, India. India. Okay. Now, this India got a flag. One national flag. What's that? How does it look like? Do you all like to see our national flag now? How would you like to see our national flag now? Let me show you our national flag. This is our national flag. What is this, children? It's our national flag. Our national flag. Look at this. This is our national flag. This is our national flag. Can you now tell me the three colors which are there in our national flag, children? Which color is this? Tell me loudly, which color is this? It's orange. And here this is white. And this is green. So this is our India flag, which is a tricolor flag. Okay, this is our India flag and this is our country, India. All right, children. Okay, now you told me your name. I also told you my name. I'm Risha ma'am, and you also told me your name, and India also told that the country name is India. Okay, now can you tell me when was your birthday? When is your birthday, children? When is your birthday? Your birthday is finished or yet to come? When is your birthday? Okay, my birthday is over. It's on 11th June and it's over. When is your birthday? Tell me, when is your birthday? Oh, is it? Your birthday? Fine. Now let's ask India, when is India's birthday? When is India's birthday? Do you know? It's day after tomorrow. It's day after tomorrow. It's 15th April. India's birthday is on 15th of August. I'm so sorry. 15th August. India's birthday is on 15th August. August 15th is our Mother India's birthday. Yay! How lovely. 15th August is our Mother India's birthday. Now tell me, do you all celebrate your birthday? Will you celebrate your birthday? What will you do on your birthday? Can you please tell me? What do you do on your birthday? You wear a nice new dress, you cut a cake, you visit your family, friends, you go somewhere out and enjoy the day. Isn't it? You all celebrate your birthday, no? In the same way, there is also a birthday to our mother country, India, and that's on 15th of August, which is day after tomorrow. So, we all should celebrate our Mother India's birthday on that day, 15th August. Celebrating the birthday? How can we do that? Let me tell you how we can celebrate our India's birthday. Before we start, I would like to tell you few more things about our country, India. This is India. This is India flag, which is a tricolor flag. This is our national flag. What do you do on your birthday, children? You cut cake, no? Oh, okay, that's so lovely. Would you like to call me for your birthday sometime? Okay, fine. Do you know what India will do on its birthday? It will not cut any cake or anything. They have flag hoisting. Flag hoisting. Do you know that? They have a flag hoisting on that day. That's like your cake cutting only, equally. That's how India celebrates its birthday. Everywhere in different places of India, we see our national flag hoisted by some of the other important people around. And you know, in our national capital region, New Delhi, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will do the flag hoisting on Red Fort on 15th of August. on India's birthday. That is so special about that day. And that day is called Independence Day. And that is called Independence Day. India's birthday is called Independence Day. All right, now fine. You tell me, you all said your birthday is 6th September, May 26th, April 19th, and all, no? How old are you? How old are you? 3 years? 4 years? Or 5 years? How old are you? Tell me. Can you please tell me how old are you? You. How old are you? You're 4 years old? Very good. In the same way, India's birthday, this birthday, India is going to be 75 years old. 75 years? Yes, it is. 75 years old. This is going to be India's 75th birthday. 75 years of Indian independence. Okay, children, like the way you are saying 4.5, and everything. India also is having birthday, no? Day after tomorrow. Our mother India is going to be 75 years old now. So we all should celebrate our 75th Indian birthday on 15th of August. Okay? We'll do that. Now, can you tell me what is our national symbol? National symbol? This is our national symbol. This is our national symbol. Did you see here? This is called Ashoka Chakra. This Ashoka Chakra is there on the national flag here in the middle. Okay, this is Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra. And we have 4 lions, where you can see only 3 lions here. This is the pillar. This is our national symbol. This is our national symbol. And what is our national currency? What is our national currency, children? It's the rupee. Rupee is our national currency, and the symbol is this. This is our national currency. Now, can you tell me which one is our national animal? Here is our national animal. Can you tell me which animal is this one? It's a tiger. It's a tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Now, can you tell me what is our national tree? Our national tree is banyan tree. Banyan tree. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Which is our national tree? Banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. And can you now tell me what is our national game? What is our national game, children? Hockey. Hockey. Hockey is our national game. Hockey is our national game. Would you like to see people playing hockey? Look here. This is our national game. National game. What all they need while playing hockey is, look here, this is our national game, hockey. They need a helmet. This is a hockey bat, hockey stick, you say, hockey stick. This is a hockey stick. This is a ball. Here it is your leg guard. Here it is the shin pads, body armor, elbow pads, and gloves. These are the things which are worn by a hockey player. Hockey player. Hockey is our national game. Hockey is our national game. All right, children. Hockey is our national game. And what is our national flower? Can you tell me which flower is this now? It's a lotus. It's a lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. All right, children. So these are our national symbols. And what is our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. So these are all our national symbols. Okay, children? These are all our national symbols. What is the name of our country? India. 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 India is the name of our country. India is our nation. India is our nation. All right. Now let's do some creative artwork so that we can celebrate India's birthday on 15th August, that is day after tomorrow. Okay? So children, for this activity, I want you all to quickly go and get one A4 size paper, one scissors, some glue, and tricolor, your crayon box. We need the colors orange and green and also blue. You need a pencil, all your stationery things. One pencil. Okay? I'll give you 2 minutes time. Quickly go and get these things now. Let's do a nice, beautiful activity for your Independence Day. All right, children. Meanwhile, I will show you. I'll try and show you a nice video here. Are you all ready, children? Meanwhile, let's see a nice song. I don't know if you can see. हिंदुस्ता हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं सकी ये गुलिस्तान In the meantime, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा Now, can you tell me who is this person? Can anybody tell me who is this person, children? Oh, can you see somebody over here is wearing the same dress? Who is wearing this like that? It's man. Indian Army. We call them Indian Army. See? They are our Indian Army. Indian Army. Okay. जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना वतन है हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा and कुछ बात है कि हंसती मिटती नहीं हमारी सदियों रहा है दुश्मन डोरे जना हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा They are our Indian Army. They are our Indian Happy Independence Day. They are our Indian Army. Okay, children? Indian Army. Okay? Now I think you are all ready with the items which I asked you to get. Now let's start doing the activity. Let's take a paper. Take a pencil, children. First, we are going to draw a flag over here. Only till this much space only you have to draw from top. We need this bottom paper. So, don't draw the flag anywhere in the middle. You draw on the top from here. Okay, children? And come on, let's all draw it together now. I also will draw it along with you. Look here. So draw from the top, okay? One sleeping line, one more sleeping line, one more sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. So you should draw 4 sleeping lines like this and join the 2 ends over here just like this. Okay, children? Can you all draw this? I'll draw it once again. Just look here, just like this. 4 sleeping lines and 2 standing lines. Okay? Fine? Is it visible to you now? 4 sleeping lines and 2 standing lines. After this is over, draw a circle right in the middle of the, like this. Okay? Now after this is over, which color crayon we are supposed to take first? Which color is there in the national flag first? Can you once look here and tell me? Oh, it's orange color. Let's take orange color crayon and color it in the first rectangle. Okay. Orange color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Orange. It's the orange color. Orange color. Okay, children. Orange color is over. Okay. Now, which color we are supposed to take? It's a green. Green color crayon. Come on. Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green. This is green color. Green color over here. Green color is finished, children. Very good. Okay, you're done with this much now? Very good. Now in the middle, you just have to take a blue crayon, blue color crayon, and see, draw a circle like this. Line, slanting line, over. And what is this? It's a national flag. National flag. It's our tricolor flag. Okay? After you finish drawing this one, you have to cut this flag through its borders, just like this. Okay. So you just have to cut it like this. Okay. Can you all do this one, please? And after you are done, after you are done, stick this. After you are done, stick this onto your shirt with a safety pin or with a stapler or with a sticker, anything. Okay, I have a sticker over here. I can stick it with the help of that sticker. I have a, see children, look at this one. This is how you can make a Independence Day badge. Just like this, as easy as it is. Okay. Hey, hi Mokshit, I remember you. Why don't I remember you? You are our very, very old student. How are you? How is your sister? Your cousins? Mokshit. Okay, children. This is how you have to do a badge. Okay. Next, we have to do one more. You have to do one more flag like this. Okay. Now you have this paper, no? Let's draw one more flag over here. You can cut it away. You need this one. Let's draw one more flag here. All right, children. Take a pencil once again. See, this is so nice and easy. You don't need to buy. Make as many as possible and give it to everybody in the house. Here now, I'm going to tell you a very beautiful, easy art and craft for Independence Day, children. Come on, start doing along with me. Once again, draw 1, 2, 3 lines, and again 2 sleeping lines. We are going to do one more flag, same like before. Okay, let's color it again. Take an orange crayon. Orange color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Orange, orange. What is the first color that we have in our national flag, children? It's orange. It's orange. Next is white, so you don't need to color. Now we have green. Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green color. This is green. Green. All right, here you go. Green color. Now again, take a blue color crayon and draw a circle first. A circle, one sleeping line, one standing line, one slanting line, and slanting line. That's it, easy. Now again, I want you to cut this one. Badge is over, and this is a surprise to you. Let's see what we are going to do out of this. You just have to cut it like this. Okay. Now, You have this remaining piece of paper, no children? You can cut this away. And with the rest of the paper, you just have to make a paper roll from its longest side. Can you tell me which is the longest side, children? Is this the longest side or is it the longest side? This is the longest side. So you just have to make a roll on the side like this. Paper roll. Just have to roll it like this. So thin roll. Okay? Roll it properly. Put it on your lap. I will also roll it. See children, shall I tell you a technique of rolling? If you have a pencil, first place it over there and then do a roll with the help of a pencil like this. Okay, there is a pencil inside. Now you can remove the pencil and again do the same roll. So your roll will be so nice and so perfect. Just like this. Look at this, how thin it is. Now I want you all to paste it. Paste the roll and make it like a stick. Oh, okay, here it is. With the help of glue. If you have really liked the activity, please hit a like button over there. And for those who are coming to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have liked the activity, please hit a like button. Oh, Naira Pallan, you are a new student. Welcome, baby. Did you like the activity? So you just have to stick it like this. Okay? Look at this one. Hi, Rajvardhan, Afnan. If you have really liked the session, please hit a like and also subscribe to our channel for preschool related videos. Ahana. Hi, Ahana. I think you are there in the class now. Now, take out this one, the one which we have made, and stick it here. Stick it here on the paper roll, just like this. Can you see this one, children? Look at this. How nice and easy it is, isn't it? Now, you have to stick here. If you have really liked the videos, please hit a like button. You just have to take some more glue and stick it over here, children. All right. See? You have to just stick it like this. That's it. Very easy, very simple preschool activity for Republic Day. Thank you so much, ma'am, for liking the session. How easy it is, children. One badge you need for Republic Day. You also need something to hold your hand and say, Sare Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. You can nicely do like this. Vande Mataram. If you want, you can also color at the back. Vande Mataram. Nice? Did you like it? We have our Instagram page, Prisha Ma'am Online Preschool only. If you have done these activities, share your photos on Instagram and tag us. I'll have a look at your photos. Okay, children. See, here is our national flag. Such a beautiful flag you could make on your own, very easy. Isn't it, children? Now, we all will sing a. No. Now I would like to tell you a short story quickly. If you have finished this, you once show it to me. Oh wow, so nice. Where is your national flag, children? Can you all show it to me, your national flag? We can also still do one more thing very quickly if you have time. That is a band, handband. Take one more A4 size paper, children. Take one more A4 size paper and see. Yeah, one more A4 size paper. Just fold it like this. Just fold it like this. Okay, and you just have to we need only this much, children, for your handbag. Now we will have to again color, tricolor. This is a tricolor handband. Draw two lines, only two lines, two equal lines. I'm not able to draw by showing it to you. I'll draw and show it to you. Wait. See, like this. Draw two lines on a band of this width. Shisha, hi baby. Okay, now you have to color it again. Orange on the top. Orange color, where? Here, orange. Okay, I'm not able to color it by showing it to you. I'll color it here and then show it to you. Look at this. Orange color over. Now you have to take green color. Look at this, children. Orange and green color over. Now in the middle, you just have to draw one Ashoka Chakra. One circle. Just like this. Okay. After this is over, please tie it onto your wrist. You just have to paste it like this. That's it. Can you see this one? How nice it is. You like it? Yes? Wristband. Wristband. This is the wristband. See? How many we have done today? So easy. We will just stick it over here, okay? Give me some time. I'll stick it. Again, get back to you. If you have a double-sided tape like this, you can stick it here like this. And whenever you want, you can directly stick it. See, this is a double-sided tape. If you can open it and stick it whenever you want. You have to stick it like this, children. Now open the sticker. See, and you have to throw it, and here is a sticker. You can just like that stick it wherever you want. Over. Nice. Wristband for Independence Day. And where is our national flag? You learned so many easy art and craft today. See, children? Nice, no? Happy Independence Day to you all. Now, if you do all these to your kids, then only they will enjoy Independence Day, then only they will like to celebrate Independence Day. Without doing anything or showing anything, and if you ask them to celebrate Independence Day, how will they do? So, even if you have not done now in the class, after this class is over, please go back, open this video, and make sure you do all this to your kids because they'll really, really like it. This is our Independence Day, everything. Okay, now if you do things like this, they'll really like it. Now, apart from now, I will tell you how you have to celebrate Independence Day. Okay, children. First, before Independence Day comes, do a badge for each and every family member. Do a handhold national flag for each and every family member. You have to prepare a wristband for each and every family member. Okay? How many people you have at home, children? We have 8 at home. How many do you have? 4, 5, 3. So you have to make those many items. After that is over, you have to save it all for day after tomorrow. On Sunday, when the National Independence Day is up, you have to get it out. First, you stick one for yourself and then go to each and every family member, give it to them and say, Happy Independence Day to you. My ma'am asked me to celebrate Independence Day today because today is Mother India's birthday. I am 4 years old, but our Mother India is already 75 years old. Do you know that? This is our Indian flag and it's a tricolor flag. We have 3 colors and that is the reason we call it a tricolor flag. This flag got orange, white and green colors in it. We call it our national flag. India is our nation. Okay, children, you have to go to each and every family member, give them this, put a wristband and a badge. And also, please make sure to celebrate Independence Day as importantly as any other festival because that is where kids will learn what is Independence Day all about. And one more thing, now that they are not coming to school and all, it's very important for you to create something at home. So why can't you do small things like this for them so they'll really be happy? And one more thing, you have to eat food which are in orange, white and green on that day. You can make nice food arts with this tricolor. Okay, children? Fine. Will you all do that? Now let's all wind up. I will quickly take you through a story. I thought of telling you a very important story, children. That's actually a must learn story. Uh-oh, where are our story cards? Okay, here it is. See, it's very easy. I will quickly tell you the story, okay, in 2 minutes. Sticker, if you don't have, you can directly put gum, Fevicol. Children, look here. This is, who is he? Pratik. Pratik and Pratik's father on Independence Day went to army cantonment. Army cantonment. Do you have anybody in your family working in army children or navy or air force? So Pratik's aunt is working in army. Oh yes, that's great. Pratik's aunt is working in army. So Pratik and Pratik's father went to visit his aunt. Visit his aunt Jani. Aunt's name is Jani. Jani auntie on the day of Independence Day just to understand what all we have inside the army cantonment. Once they started walking inside, what did Pratik see? See, his aunt, Pratik's aunt started showing him all big vehicles. They have battle tanks, jeeps, missile launchers. This is a missile launcher. This is a battle tank. And these are the jeeps they have. These are all called army vehicles. We don't see them anywhere out on the road. We see them only inside the army cantonment. Okay, children? We see them only inside the army cantonment. Those are the army vehicles. So Pratik went along with his aunt to see everything inside the army cantonment. Aunt said that we said that the army protects army. These are the army people. This is the army dress. Can you see this dress? This is the army dress. Army uniform looks like this one. Indian army uniform looks like this. Okay, children? Then aunt said, here are the army, Indian army. They call Indian army. They protect us from enemies. They live in the border. They live in the India border. Protects us from enemies. From they are the Indian army. Okay, Indian army protects us from enemies who are on land. 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 On land, if there are anybody attacking, Indian army will help us. What then? Pratik asked, Auntie, if somebody comes from inside the water, then how? Who will help us? Pratik asked his aunt. Then Pratik's aunt said, come inside my cabin. I will show you who will help us if somebody are coming from inside water. Pratik's auntie opened a big book. In that book, Pratik saw very big ships and submarine. Okay. Wow, this is such a big ship. Is that also a part of Indian army? Asked Pratik. No, my dear, that is our Indian Navy. That's our Indian Navy. Okay, that's our Indian Navy. They protect us from enemies who come from sea. Enemies who come from sea are protected by Indian Navy. They guard our coasts, said Auntie. Then this submarine, what is this, children? It's a submarine. Submarine travels under the water. Do you know that? Submarine travels under the water. And there are Navy officers. People who fight on land, we call them army officers. The people who fight on sea, in water, we call them Navy officers. And they have their own uniform, which is not this one. They have another uniform. Okay. They are called our Indian Navy. They protect us from enemies through the water. Indian army protects us from the enemies through land. And then there is a doubt which came to Pratik. Then auntie, what if somebody are attacking us from the air? Then aunt turned out a page and said, we also have our Indian Air Force. We also have our Indian Air Force. They are the people who save our nation from enemies attacking from air. They are called Indian Air Force. They are called Indian Air Force. They protect us from enemies which may attack us from air. And these air vehicles also helps the people to reach from places where the army vehicles may not reach. So we have Indian Army to protect us from enemies on land. Indian Army to protect us from enemies on land. Indian Navy to protect us from enemies in water. And Indian Air Force to protect us from enemies through air. Okay, these three are the first most respected professions of our country, India, because they are all working for us day and night, and that is why we are very happy and safe over here. So everybody, can you please give a big salute to all the Indian Air Force, Navy and Army people out there on behalf of this Independence Day, children? That's so super. Very good. Then Pratik understood who are protecting our mother country, India. Then Pratik said, now I will go back and tell to all my friends about our Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. And that is how he celebrated his Independence Day. Now you tell me how you are going to celebrate your Independence Day as well. All right, children. Now let's all wind up the session with the Jana Gana Mana. All right, children. Fine. Let's all wind up the session with Jana Gana Mana. Can you all please stand up, children, for the national anthem? Stand up for the national anthem, children. Now I am going to play our national anthem here. Okay. Come on, everybody. Let's all wind up this session with the national anthem. For this, I want you all to hold your national flags in your, okay, children? Okay, so I wish you all have liked today's Independence Day ideas and activities. All right, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Again, I'll see you sometime later. And for those who are planning to join our online classes, you can still join our online classes, and I'm giving you my WhatsApp number over here. Please WhatsApp me on this number if you are planning to join our online classes. Okay. To know more about our online classes. See, I kept so many messages so that, okay, you can WhatsApp us that if you are planning to join our online classes. All right, children, fine. So I'll see you again. A very happy Independence Day to everybody out there, and Jai Hind. Bye, children.